This channel is all about content creation with free tools, important websites, and artificial intelligence. You can create a full YouTube video using the free artificial intelligence tools I'm going to discuss in this video. Creating any YouTube video from scratch is not easy, but it's not impossible. Using artificial intelligence, you can make your work up to 10 times easier and faster. In this follow-up video, I'll show you more tools available to create an entire YouTube video from start to finish. We would go from video ideas generation tool, to AI script writing tools, to AI video or media creation tools, and then to AI-powered text-to-speech converters or voiceovers. If you use at least one tool from each of the 4 sections in this video, you would have created a complete YouTube video ready to be uploaded to your YouTube channel. Before you start creating any video, you need to know the title or the subject or the general theme of the video. You must have an idea of the message you're trying to pass or what you're trying to achieve with the video. Now, assuming you've gotten a video idea, it doesn't have to be perfect, but you already know exactly what you want to create a video for, or what you want to achieve with that video. The very first thing you're going to need is a good title. You need to develop a good title for the video. We would use an artificial intelligence tool called titlegenerator.com. Using this AI tool is easy. Simply input the idea or the video subject, and let the AI provide better title suggestions for free. This site will provide at least 700 titles at once. Go through each of them and pick out the ones that stand out to you. Now, the next thing you might want to do is to write out the script. A full video script. In this section, we're going to see 3 artificial intelligence tools that could help you write a full video script for free. Writer.me provides a complete article creation tool. You can write a full article using a few text prompts. If you give this artificial intelligence a topic, it can produce a full-length article. To use this, simply head over to writer.me. Create an account or login if you already have one. The next thing to do is to click on Start Writing. Type in or copy and paste in the title you got from Title Generator. Select blog ideas and outline. The AI would produce a full blog idea and outline plus keywords for each section. The next thing to do is to use Writer to develop each of these sections until you get to the conclusion paragraph. This process is easy and wouldn't take you more than a few minutes to complete. Simply input section title, already provided keywords, and the number of variants you need. Organize and proofread your article by making a few minor adjustments here and there. If you are satisfied with what you see, then you can move over to the next section, which is to convert the article to video. But if you're not satisfied with the article provided by Writer, then the next 3 alternatives could be of help. Copy.ai allows you to generate human-like text within seconds. I've been using it for a while. It can help you create better headlines, email subject lines, meta descriptions, and blog intros. When you sign up for a new account, you are given 100 credits to try out all the tools for free. With this, you can do a lot of writing. And the best part is that content produced by this tool is SEO optimized. In some cases, there's a lot you can do with copy.ai. However, in this video, we will just use it to write a blog intro, blog section paragraphs, and then a blog conclusion paragraph. When you visit the site, just head over to blog writing section. Select the suitable tools for you and complete your article writing. After filling out the necessary sections, click on Make Copy. Then the artificial intelligence would provide 10 suggestions for 1 credit. Most suggestions won't be perfect, and you'll need to tweak a few words and sentences. However, it's much better than struggling with a blank screen and having to write headlines, sections, paragraphs, and other forms of copy from scratch. HyperWrite is also another good AI writing tool. HyperWrite is an AI tool that generates sentences and paragraphs for you. You give the AI tool a topic you'd like to write about and a title. You answer a few questions about the type of document you're creating. Then, HyperWrite begins to generate content. Doing this takes minutes to build out most or all of a piece of content. As of the time of making this video, HyperWrite has a free version that lets you use the tool by generating up to 1,000 sentences a month. I've talked about Simplified.co in the previous video on this topic. Simplified is a business tool that helps you develop video or written content for your website and business. But you can also use the AI Writer to create scripts for videos. You can get started for free. Once you create a free account, head over to AI Assistant. Select Long Form Writer and start writing. You're going to use a header, blog section completer, and blog conclusion tool to write everything. Simplified helps you design everything, scale your brand, and collaborate with your team. You can also create stunning designs, videos, and write copy using the AI Copywriter tool. You can get started with a free forever plan. After writing a video script, the next thing is to produce a video based off the script. For the most part, you don't need a camera if you cannot afford a good one, but you definitely need a video editor. You can start by browsing the internet and looking for stock footage and then using a video editor to put them together. Alternatively, you could use some special media creators that provide already made video templates. One of such sites is Clipchamp. It is owned by Microsoft. Clipchamp is a web-based video editor that allows you to navigate through a multi-layer video editing timeline within your browser. Clipchamp is a multi-layer video editor that you can access online. It integrates with cloud storage solutions and is designed to help new users jump into video editing by providing a vast array of templates, stock footage, stock audio, and so on. The actual processing power to edit your videos comes from your PC, but the interface is based on the web. Previously, when I made a video about Clipchamp, they didn't support export of videos in 1080p format for the free plan, but they allow this presently. Clipchamp is easy to jump into. It works with cloud storage and has a range of pricing options for different workflows. However, you get a good deal on the free plan. Another site just like Clipchamp is Veed. Veed is a video editor that makes it super easy to produce short-form videos less than 10 minutes long. The editor makes it possible to create whatever you want, from slideshows and promo videos to music videos and TikToks. No matter what your niche is, you'll find fascinating tools and templates on Veed. Among some of its most recent features, Veed has a green screen video. Users who film with a green screen background can change and edit it the way they want. One of the most important tools for me is the subtitles tool. Veed allows you to add subtitles manually, auto-transcribe, or upload a subtitles file. Plus, its subtitle generator and translation feature supports a wide variety of languages. You can use this site to create videos from scratch or simply upload your rough cut video and do whatever you want to do with it. I won't bore you with details, but the platform doesn't require you to create an account to start creating videos. You can simply click on upload your video to get started for free. However, it's best to have an account so you can save your video projects. Canva doesn't need much introduction at this point. You can use Canva to create videos for any social media platform. I've used Canva to edit some of my videos for this YouTube channel. Canva is an excellent online graphic design tool. You can use it for everything from making basic photo edits to designing social media images to flyers and documents. It has so many features, and it comes at a bargain price of about $12 per month for the Pro version. There's also a very generous free plan. Canva is a potent freemium software design tool that finds great use for beginners, professionals, and organizations to create eye-catching and high-quality graphic designs. You are going to use Canva to create simple and clean videos for any of your video scripts. You can even use the already made templates to create unique content so you don't have to start from scratch. Canva is a dependable and user-friendly tool that helps you transform a simple idea into a jaw-dropping video or design that you can either display online or print. So, this one is the perfect professional tool to design images for anything and everything. You may not need to have a voiceover in your video, but if you do need one, there's a wide variety of AI text-to-speech converters available. I would talk about two of the best free AI voiceover tools. Resemble.ai is an extremely productive AI voice creation software, helping out users to build custom, personalized, and realistic AI voices in minutes, applicable for conversational AI, film and animation, advertisement, gaming, and others. Resemble.ai uses artificial intelligence to convert text to speech. You can even clone your voice, and anytime you need to make a voiceover, you don't need to set up a microphone. You can get started for free on Resemble.
Time is one of the most valuable resources in life, and it's up to us to get the most out of it.
In this article, we will explore some time management tips that can help you become more productive and live a more fulfilling life.
Another site for AI voiceover is naturalreaders.com. Natural Readers allows you to create voiceover from text. You are provided with so many options for voices, and you can get a reasonably sounding voice on this site. I've used Natural Readers in most of my videos on this channel. However, there's some limitations for the free version, but you can use it to create voiceover for your videos, at least for a start.
Time is one of the most valuable resources in life, and it's up to us to get the most out of it. In this article, we will explore some time management tips that can help you become more productive and live a more fulfilling life.
Once you're done with your video production and you've uploaded it to YouTube, your work doesn't just stop at this point. Video optimization is the most important and final step to making your video follow up on the YouTube video. And that includes getting the titles right, making good thumbnails, using the correct tags, descriptions, and hashtags, and then making sure that it is uploaded under the correct category. There are some tools that you could use to do this, and vidIQ is one of the best. vidIQ is a good YouTube tool in the market. With vidIQ, you're able to optimize your videos for more views. And with all the features, you can't go wrong with video optimization and channel audits. Also, you can even spy on your competitors and see what they're doing better than you are. vidIQ would also give you 3 free video ideas daily if you're on a free plan, and there's a lot of advantages with using vidIQ.